Hey everybody, Mateo here from Zpacks, and today I'm going to show you how to properly install and remove a belt from one of our arc frame backpacks. As a safety precaution, we recommend using gloves when installing or removing a belt from our arc frame backpack. The first thing you're going to want to do is to take the horizontal stay and slide it through the channel on the back of the belt. The next thing I like to do is figure out what side of the pack we want the female buckle to be on. We're going to want to slide the stay sleeve away from it, leaving just about an inch hanging out of the channel. The next thing we're going to do is slide the stay through the two stay channels on the back of the pack. You're going to want to take the belt and fold it back until the long end of the stay is exposed. Next, on the side of the pack you want the male buckle to be on, we're going to slide the stay through the stay sleeve on that side of the pack. Be sure when sliding the stay through the sleeve that you continue past the vertical stay. Now, fold the belt over to expose the short end of the stay. Next, you'll flex the stay and insert it through the interior opening on the other stay sleeve. Push on the other end of the stay until it becomes visible. Continue pushing on the stay until it goes into the opening at the bottom of the vertical stay. You'll want to make sure that the horizontal stay is seated underneath the vertical stay. Now, grab the middle of the belt and flex the horizontal stay until you are able to get the end of it into the opening at the bottom of the other vertical stay. Now, pushing down on the belt should ensure that the horizontal stay is seated underneath both vertical stays. To remove the stay, simply grab the middle of the belt and flex the stay until one of the ends comes out from underneath the vertical stays. Finally, grab the end of the stay and pull it until it slides all the way out. Well, that covers how to properly install and remove a belt from your arc frame backpack. Until then, see you, why do I still have a glove on, outside.